This is the iHealth COVID-19 rapid test at home. So I'm going to take it and let's see. Here's the box, by the way. So everything, if you want to read. It's how to do it. And let's open it. Let's get the contents out. It includes two tests, as you can see, two tests, and that's why everything will probably have two. It's hard to get everything out of it with one hand. That's pretty much all of what we have in here. Test card. I'm assuming this is probably where I'll put the drops, and it will tell me if I have COVID or not. And this is a solution. These are the swabs I have to put in my nose. Like, of course, like I'll use one for each test. Here's the swab. So all what I need for one test is one swab, one of these, and one test card. And, you can see that this is the instructions manual on how to do it. So here is the instructions for how to do the test. You can see that you need these, the test card, the pre-filled tube, the swab, which are here. You have the swab, the tube, and the tube. I'm trying to make it stand, and the test card. And here you have step 2. Gotta have these. You gotta make sure that there are two edges, as it say, and you gotta make sure that the fluid level is above that first edge. It's pretty hard to see, but there's like an edge here and a second edge here, and I checked and I saw that the fluid is above that edge, so it's good. I think it's pretty hard to see. It's pretty hard to see the edges, but I checked and I saw that the fluid is above the edge, like the first edge, or edge 1, whatever. Edge, okay, above the two edges, I guess, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Please confirm that the liquid level with or above edge 2, which is that bottom one, so it has to be like between 1 and 2. And then it's not going to be acceptable if it is, I guess, below 2. And then you'll need the swab and then insert it in your nose. Like, do the right nostril first. Slowly brush it or rotate it 5 times inside after you insert it, like half to 3/4 of an inch, and take that swab out of your right nostril and put it in your left nostril. Do the same thing, rotate it inside like 5 times, and then you're going to tab that tube vertically on the table and twist that orange cap to open it. Put the swab inside the tube, stir it 15 times, squeeze the sides of the tube, and squeeze the swab before taking it out, so that make sure that all what was in the swab got inside the tube, like a large enough sample. Then after that, put the swab, like probably put it in the garbage maybe, and then close the cap, orange cap, and then open the top cap, so you have an orange cap which is here, and then the top cap, and also screw, twist to open the small white cap, and then you add 3 drops in here, as it says. After you open that cap, you add 3 drops in here. Gotta wait for 15 minutes. It has to be between 15 minutes and 30 minutes. And it tells you here, like, if you go after 30 minutes, the results will not be accurate, or may not be accurate. I mean, either if you check it before 15 minutes or after 30 minutes, the results may not be accurate. So it gotta be between 15 and 30 minutes. And for a positive result, you'll have the C line and the T line. They will have to be there, both shown up, like a line here and a line there. That means you're positive. If you're negative, you'll just have the C. If the results are invalid, you'll just have the T, or nothing will show up after 15 minutes. That's pretty much it. That's the instructions. I hope you can see it carefully. Maybe if you want to pause the video and look at it, it's fine. It's pretty easy. There are some frequently asked questions and stuff on the other side of the instructions brochure. This is after I did everything, like I took the test and I put the 3 drops in, and now I gotta wait for 15 minutes. And that's it. That's test at home. COVID-19 rapid test at home. Thank you.